So you know what I don't like? When people send us a drink with no name.
Yeah, because then we have to name it.
Right. I have 74 drinks in the backlog. Like 20 of them are unnamed. Lana Steggles sent us a drink. Guess what it didn't have?
So what are we calling this then?
The Lana Steggles. Half an ounce of Disaronno.
All right.
Already off to a good start.
Yep.
Half an ounce of Cointreau.
Orange and almond.
1/4 ounce of blue Curacao red. I know I'm nailing it.
Yeah. You know what? We applaud people who do their very best.
1/4 ounce of Malibu rum. Tall glasses.
Uh-huh.
Nice. It's a cool color. 4 ounces of lemonade.
All right. I'm curious on this one. I love the color. The color's gorgeous. Oh. We have to stir it. Stir it up, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it up, stir it. Do you want to stir yours?
Yeah.
I'm going to lick it.
Don't. Now you know what it tastes like. Not supposed to taste it.
I didn't give anything away.
Lana Steggles.
Lana! Thank you.
Cheers. It wasn't overpowering on the coconut. It was pretty good.
No, but it's really smooth, like a caramel taste. Not caramel, like a smooth coconut. I don't know how to explain it. It's really good.
I think the Cointreau, like the orange, balances out the coconut, so it's not super duper duper.
Yeah, because a lot of times with these Caribbean drinks, it's like coconut like punches you in the face, and that was really, really good.
No, I liked it too. Good job, Lana.
Thanks, Lana.